If you want to enable always on display on your Samsung tablet if this feature is not available, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your tablet. Then tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Draw over the apps. Now from this list, just scroll down and enable the toggle for the Movies Edge app. After that, just go back. And on this screen, just tap on AOD at the bottom of the screen. Now from here, just select any always on display style which you like. For an example, I will select this style. Then tap on Apply. Now if you go to the lock screen of your tablet, as you can see, this is how you can enable always on display on your Samsung tablet. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.